Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel
all those people
TV,
who are distorting the master plan of Abuja.
News.
Too bad. Too bad.
As it breaks, breaking news.
If you know you are built where you're not supposed to build, it will go down.
Totally, generally all around the world.
It will go
All
down.
you need to do is
Be a minister of anywhere. Be an ambassador. If you know you have developed where you're not supposed to develop, your house must go what? Down.
Okay? Stay.
Those who have taken over the green areas to build, sorry, our parks must come back. The green areas must come back. If you hate green, you must hate yourself. So if you know you have anybody who is involved that have taken over the green areas, have taken over the parks, to where you now do restaurants, no, we will not accept that. Sorry. If your father has done that, sorry. If your mother has done that, sorry. There's nothing I can do. It will go down. And all these people who are doing land racketing, I'll talk to the staff tomorrow. There are a lot of people are involved. And let me tell you, that period of land racketing is what? Over. And those that government are giving CFO land, allocated land to them, they refuse to develop. And use that they are becoming land speculators. The land is gone. I'm going to revoke them. I will revoke them. Because I don't understand how your government will give you land to develop, then you keep the land outside, land that you may have paid for 200,000. You're not beginning to find who will buy for 2 billion and 3 billion. Who does that? You take back our land and give it to those who want to develop. And you must sign that you must develop at so time. So, if you are part of those who have been getting soft land, it will come back to us. And some people are saying, oh, Abuja is not doing this, Abuja is not doing that. Those of you who also have refused to pay a grand rent, non-payment of grand rent is a breach of covenant. I don't need to write you to pay. You know this word is what? You're like a tenant. At the end of the month, you are supposed to pay social amount, for example. And then you say, oh, my landlord has done anything to me. No, it doesn't make sense. Because Abuja needs money too, is it not? Part of the revenue, or source of revenue, is ground rent. So if you have not paid, be it national, whatever you call it, banco, anywhere, big man, sorry. I will not be tired to revoke. That's what I'm here. It is true.